subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Apple Beats Fit Pro Earbuds. Fit Pro Earbuds come with some decent features for their mid-level pricing. It has active noise cancellation, ANC, functionality, LiPX4 water, and sweat resistance, and up to 30 hours of playback with its accompanying charging case. On a full charge, the Beats Fit Pro offers up to 7 hours of playback time. The Beats Fit Pro sits somewhere between the Beats Studio Buds and the Powerbeats lineup, Powerbeats Pro and Powerbeats. Fit Pro has a wingtip design, which Beats says is the outcome of extensive research and the use of the best materials for the products. The company says the Beats Fit Pro has undergone some rigorous testing and the materials used for the product are of their highest quality. The wingtip design enables the earbuds to stay locked in the ears even in very tough and strenuous circumstances. The Fit Pro also has Apple's H1 chip with a wide array of functionality to go with it. These include automatic syncing, one-step pairing, dynamic head tracking for spatial audio, auto switching, and a skin detect sensor is also present. Beats Fit Pro earbuds will come in 4 color variants, namely white, black, gray, and purple, pink. While actual shipments will start on November 5th, pre-orders have already begun. The new Beats Fit Pro earbuds seem to be well priced when the new and excellent features that it packs are considered. As mentioned earlier, the Beats Fit Pro will retail for $199.99. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.